The AS3200 follows in the footsteps of the AS3000, a model I reviewed years ago and still remember fondly. But this isn't just a refresh, it's a serious evolution, and after putting it through its paces for weeks, I have plenty to say. Feeding the beast. To truly test the AS3200, I paired it with a wide range of components, from budget streamers like the $200 Wiim Pro to high-end digital front ends like the HiFi Rose RS130 streamer, $5,200, and LA Harmony DAC, $2,700. Speakers ranged from $1,200 to $9,000. Let's just say this amp scales beautifully with your gear. Build quality, obsessed with perfection. The Yamaha AS3200 is a work of art. The build quality rivals and in some areas exceeds the best from Luxman, Macintosh, and Accuphase. Inside, it's all copper plates, thick screw-in wiring not soldered, and top-shelf capacitors borrowed from Yamaha's 20K 5000 series separates. Externally, the piano black wooden side panels, silky smooth metal knobs, and perfectly aligned controls scream high-end craftsmanship. No visible screws on the chassis, just clean minimalist lines. It's like a piece of audio jewelry. I've had amps here that cost $25. None looked or felt better than the AS3200. The sound of emotion. Music is more than sound, it's emotion. It can soothe us, heal us, and even carry us to places far beyond our current reality. For me, music is a kind of therapy. When the system is dialed in just right, when the room, the mood, and the moment align, it becomes something transcendent. It's an escape, even if only for a while. To reach that emotional sweet spot, I look for certain qualities in sound: warmth, richness, a deep and solid bass foundation, and just a hint of sparkle on the high end. That's where the Yamaha AS3200 comes in. Yamaha AS3200 Amplifier pros and cons. Pros, deep and natural bass, provides a solid and well-defined low end. Extended and silky highs, delivers detailed yet smooth high frequencies. Smoothness and sparkle, offers a balanced sound with both smoothness and a touch of high-end clarity. Cons, initial sterile sound may sound tight and cold out of the box, requiring a break-in period. Not for specific sonic preferences, not ideal for those seeking a fuzzy, slow, overly warm, or extremely analytical sound. Emotion through engineering. The AS3200 delivers that emotional connection better than most amps I've heard. It's been consistently impressive no matter what speakers I've paired it with, from the Boresson X1, $5,500, and X2, $8,800, to the stellar Triangle 40th Duettos, $7,000, and even the airy and transparent Closer Acoustics Ogie and Bob combo. Even with the budget-friendly Galleon Voyager TL, $1,200, the 3200 produced a sound that was bold, full, and smooth with just the right amount of sparkle. What sets the AS3200 apart is its neutrality. It doesn't add color or character, it simply reveals what's already there. If you're looking for something fuzzy, slow, or overly warm, this isn't it. If you want razor-sharp analytical precision, look elsewhere. But if you crave a refined, balanced sound with a tube-like mid-range, deep natural bass, and extended silky highs, the 3200 will absolutely deliver. Out of the box, the sound was a little sterile, tight and cold. But after just a few hours, it began to open up, and after a couple of weeks, it blossomed into something beautiful, organic, effortless, alive.